Hello, friends. How are you? Hope everybody is doing good. Today, I am here to introduce you a good opportunity regarding a company called Divine Group, running successfully for last 21 years. And this company, they have lots of products like consumer items. Everything is there. But this is the right opportunity which I am going to share you, because as per the pandemic corona situations, everybody have a problems. They are not able to work out. So Divine Group is planning something to work from home. They have a consumer products like personal care, home care, food products. Even they deals in essence, perfume, soaps, toiletries, essence sticks. We call it agarbatti in India, and they have a huge business all around the globe. They are dispatching the products to market with franchise and everything. They are Mumbai-based company. Divine Group is already running successfully for last 20 years in the industry, and they have proven their products for everybody. It's a requirement today's trend that is very much important for everybody. So welcome to Tuscan Trade Enterprises. It's a Tuscan 50/50 is the website, www.tuscan5050. So you are here to get the business plan. Company is already registered with GST. Whatever the things are there, they will run. The CMD is Mr. Vikram Manohar Singh Purohit. So what the company is all about, they are doing intraday training. How it is, you have to become a member with 1000 rupees plus GST. It will come near about 1180 rupees. So to become a membership, you need to sign up. The sign up is free, but to upgrade yourself for intraday trading, you need to pay 1180 rupees. So once you pay, company will give you online courses, training, and also they will provide you the certificate of intraday just with 1000 rupees plus GST of 180 rupees. The total amount will be 1180. So friends, the opportunity will give you two types of benefit. The first is direct income, and the second is matching bonuses. So the first direct income is whenever you enroll anybody, you get a direct of 50%. Friends, 50%, half of your joining amount you get back rupees 500 just with one joining. It's a huge amount, boss, because in this pandemic situation, everybody is running shortfall of funds. They don't have work. So this is the right opportunity that you can work from home. Then the second income goes 50% for the matching income. That is called matching bonuses. Can you imagine? But this 50% matching bonuses is a hyper matching. Hyper matching is like whenever you put left one, right one, two people's come, you get binary. That is matching bonuses. And 50% matching bonuses is a hyper. Hyper means whenever the two people's come, at the time of ID you put place, whatever the income comes, that will be equally divided into all binary pair qualifier. I repeat, it will be divided into all pair qualifiers. So suppose if you put left one, right one, you qualify for one pair. But at the time when you put the ID, if somebody in the system also qualify for the pair in your upline, then you will be getting two pair. So this two pair will be divided with that 500. For example, you join, okay? So whenever you come in a system with 1180 rupees, you got a placements under your depot, then you refer your A, that means your first direct. Then you refer your first direct, right? And then it comes the second one. Whenever the second comes, your pair matchings will be done. One more miracle I wanted to tell you, it's a auto binary 2 system. If you don't place anybody also after joining, automatically the senior upline will come under you, and it will always follow weaker left. Suppose your A and B, and another will come that will go first left, then right, first right side left, then right. So weaker first, then right weaker. Apart from that, then the right side, left side right, then the right side right. This is how you can qualify for your binary pair. But to get this income, there is one condition. Everybody have to introduce two 2 active direct is required. 2 active direct is required for everybody to take the benefit of the system. Everybody have to place their 2 directs, which is compulsory for everything. And whenever you place 2 directs, automatically spill from the top up line it will come, and top up line it will come, then that will be placed under you automatically. The beauty of this plan is whenever you place your ID, whenever you place the system will give you 3 times, that is 300 times. Suppose you start with 1000, you're joining, it will be 3000. Once it will be 3000, again you need to top up your ID for 2000 rupees, right? Whenever it's top up with 2000 rupees, you get 6000. Whenever you top up with 3000 rupees, you get 9000 rupees, that is 300%. This is the beauty, and the terms and condition is very, very, very good. What it is, simply whenever you get 50% matching, that is only calculated to your 300 times, not your direct. N number of direct you can give. That will support you to earn maximum direct peoples in the system, right? And the terms and condition, that is, the first condition is that every to withdraw you require 2 active direct required must for the withdrawal. The second one, whatever the income will come, the income will be created after 10% of the profit. Whatever the incomes comes, the company will deduct 10% and the balance will be given, credited to your account. Apart from that, 5% will be charged if you transfer your fund to some another member. That is one charge you have to do, and another withdrawal will be 10% deduction on every amount. What is that? The 5% will be TDS and 5% will be the API charges, because now bankers are charging for every transactions. Nothing is free in this corona system has been changed a lot. So this terms and condition is very clear. You need to check every time, give the message to everyone, pass on the correct messages, give the perfect plan to everybody. Don't misguide anybody. Just follow the company system. Company is doing well. This is just a startup. It's a launch. If you come today, I think I can promise they are going to create a history in this matter. And slowly, once the pandemic situation get clear, all food products, every item will be delivered to everybody. This will be the add-on benefit from the company side to earn more and to develop your business. I have given one number on a screen. If somebody wanted to contact personally, they can call on this number, tell their name, tell their ID, and you can discuss regarding the plan anytime in the business hours. So friends, thank you so much being with us. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.